Hi everyone, this is Hina Beg and I'm a solution therapist. Welcome to season 6, Starry Achievers. This season is dedicated to all the owners, founders, CEOs of startups. We will be listening to various guests who are founder of something they had dreamt of or felt driven to. They will be sharing their journey, how they progressed with their idea, some tips for anyone who's entering the startup space, how they coped their low moments, and much more. We all may have several ideas, thoughts, imagination, which may seem almost realistic and or doable. But the key is, are we ready to invest our time, energy, effort to actually pursue our ideas into reality? Ideas or dreams, when given shape and a direction, leads to some innovation. And as our former President of India, Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir said, dreams is not what you see in sleep. Dreams is the thing which doesn't let you sleep. And how true this is when we listen to the stories of achievers in various fields. Our lives are molded with experiences that is sparkled with miracle moments. And these miracle moments lingers in our heart and mind and start assembling into ideas. Slowly, knowingly or unknowingly, we are driven with the force towards these ideas, and the urge to do something gets stronger day by day. Thus, this gives the birth to a new chapter in our life, known as startup. In simple words, according to Wikipedia, startup only means that it's a company or a project undertaken by an entrepreneur to seek, develop, and validate a scalable business module. So, that is what startup is all about. Thus, to find success instantly in any startup is not always realistic. Startup needs patience, conviction, a plan, purpose, research work, networking, etc. There may be various variables as per the type of startup. We need to understand, like in any other business, startup also has its ups and downs. The hurdles faced by each entrepreneur is demanding. The startup grind may be very challenging depending upon business to business. Hence, this season, the guests will be sharing their first-hand experience, which can throw light on various aspects that can be a learning process for those who are planning to do a startup. Do listen and share the episode so that more people can connect, get inspired, and may have guidance or learn from our guests' experiences. If you have just started a startup and would like to share your story, then do send me an email on my email ID, which is hinabegtherapist@gmail.com. HINABEG therapist, THERAPIST @gmail.com. Together, we all can help each other to grow, spread positivity, appreciate and encourage the hard work done by young entrepreneurs, and be a part in making this world a happier, healthier, and creative one. So keep sharing and stay positive. Do tune in next week to welcome our first guest in this season. It's same day and same time, that's 3 p.m. IST on every Wednesday. Till then, please do take care and be safe. Bye.